Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video we are going to do a beach scene because I am sick of the snow outside. I'm sick of waking up to minus 4.5 degrees Celsius. I need the beach, okay? And I'm sure it'll get warm soon, won't it?
Mm-hmm. Couple of months.
Hoping. Let's get cracking. It's the only beach I'll see for a while. So I'm working on a tip today. You could do this directly on the top of an acrylic nail or a nail extension done in gel, or even done with a top it. And I'm going to use this colour for the sand. So we're going to get this colour and sweep it across here. Doesn't need to be a perfect line. Now before I cure it, I'm going to make it look like sand. And we're going to do that by adding clear acrylic. So we're going to sprinkle clear acrylic onto the gel. Those that have never done this before are probably watching this and thinking, what the hell is she doing? The woman has gone mad. Let it sort of settle, and then you can start to tap that off. Just going to go one more time, just make sure it is really sandy. And then I'm going to pop that into the lamp. That's going to give it a texture. What I'm going to do now is dust off the excess. And you can see now it's textured, and amazingly what it does is it actually takes away any sticky layer as well. So you can see it's textured like sand. Now for the sea. I'm going to use some Snow White and then these three colours. So we've got a blue, this is like a mid blue. And then we've got a pale sort of turquoise colour. And then a deeper turquoise. Right, so what I'm going to use is the backing paper from Sculpting Form. I'm going to take out a bit of everything here. So a bit of all those different colours. I'm going to use a gel brush and I'm going to paint the mid turquoise on first. And I'm just going to butt up to the edge of the sand. I'm going to put a nice even coat on. I'm using a gel brush because I want to be more precise. Then I'm going to get a detailer brush, and with the other colours I'm going to wave through. This is going to create movement. It'll marble it and it'll create movement, so the sea is moving. Take the lighter colour, do the same. Then with the white, I'm going to put the white right at this edge. It doesn't need to be neat. You want it to be like it's just meeting the sand. So mess up that edge as if it's just bubbling and sweeping onto the sand.
Oh, this is making me want a holiday, Kirsty.
I know. Just want to dip your feet in that sea, don't you? And I'm going to work that into those colours as well, just to lighten that a little bit there. Right, what I'm going to do now is make this shiny. Obviously, it will have a slight sticky layer on, but I want to make this shiny. It's not really wearable until I've sealed in that gel polish. I am going to take the brush and get some of the top coat on and just tickle it on top of the part that meets the beach. So just sort of dotting it there. And then I can pop that into the lamp. To make it look even more beachy, we're going to add some embellishments. Now, I've spotted these, and I didn't spot them till a few minutes before we actually did this video, and I was like, how have I only just seen them? They're amazing. Look at this. It's a clam with a pearl inside. Oh my god, I had to make one of these for one of the videos. This is effortless, easy peasy to do, to pop on a nail. I mean, that is just stunning, absolutely stunning. So we're definitely going to use that. And then we've got, this wheel's lovely. It's got loads of different things and it's got all different shapes, shells. So we'll have one of those. I'm going to literally take out one of everything. All these different shells. And we have seahorses as well. I am going to use some of the other ones, the silver ones, but there'll be more gold than silver. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to adhere this on with acrylic. I want them to stay on just a small amount of acrylic, nothing like, no big lumps of acrylic, just a little bit. you could do this as that sort of feature nail. The rest of the nails could just be blue, or they could be this sort of sandy colour. And this could be like the main attraction. And there you are, it's finished. There you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that video. I definitely need some sun instead of snow. Keep snowing in Stoke-on-Trent. Not impressed. Please bring me sun. All the products that I've used will be listed below as always. Don't forget to subscribe. We have 1 million viewers now because of you. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Just because it's clamped in.
It's clamped in, and I have squeezed it. Is that a word?
I've said this before. I don't think it's a word.
I've squeezed it nice and tight so it won't open.